Hello again, YouTubers. This time I'm looking at Trackmaster again, but this time it's the Revolution type Trackmaster, the latest version. Now, you've seen in the past I've done films with the Tomy locos. Now, they used to look something like that. There's Thomas and the blue plastic track. The engine underneath looks like that, and they've got little rubber traction tyres which help to grip in the tiny grooves you may or may not be able to see in the track. Can you see those tiny grooves? Okay, that's what it ran on. These days, now the latest Thomas system looks like this, and of course they've changed the body and the chassis. The most important thing really is the track. Look at the gear teeth in the track there, and the gear teeth on the locomotive to correspond with that. And that's all very well, but of course what they didn't do, that plate at the bottom there, it's a fraction lower than it used to be, and it will catch, unfortunately, on some of the older track, especially the old blue track, which is a shame. I wish they'd resolve that, because it effectively makes the old track redundant because of the new locos. Anyway, that's another story, so I won't go on about that too much. I thought, that's okay, let's see what this new track's all about. And it's just different connectors, very positive connectors and things like that. Let's give it a whirl, you know, without criticising it too much. And so here we go. I've had to go out a little layout with this lot. So I've got some new trucks. Some of the trucks are quite interesting. Yeah, that looks pretty hot, doesn't it? Don't touch that. It's a dark version of the truck there. This is coming out. This is supposed to be hot steel out of the factory. I've got another one here. Nice little wagon loads on these. Now, they don't seem to come with faces on, so I've put those eyes on. They're only glued on. And you can get those little googly eyes from supermarkets these days. Some wagons have marks on and some don't. This one's one. This one can't make its mind up. And there's another one I got quite lately. Is this one? That's how you buy them. There's no eyes on them. And this one came with a Zeppelin car called Hugo, and the load is very peculiar. It looks like they've covered it in chocolate, and then something's happened here. Is that the tarpaulin that's gone whoosh? So that comes out. You can see how it fits. So it fits at the front. So if it fit it wrong, it slides in like that. So it's a positive fit. So that's a load that's on its way out of the wagon by the looks of it. And this was out of another set that I got on the internet, actually, because I couldn't get it all that I wanted from the shops. This has got a strange revolving load there, so that represents it being empty. That represents it being full. Of course, you want the track to do it, so there's a little trigger under here. So if I operate that, it's full, empty, full, empty. So when it goes over the little trigger, that little thing is moved and it operates a twin cam in there. And at this end, there's a sprung, two little spring, like a fork, on the flat part of the axle. So it holds it preferably either one way or the other. It's very clever. And the side of it looks quite like a 16-ton mineral wagon to me. The British type of the 50s. So that's pretty good. Because the normal wagons are rather shorter. Oops, let me take that one off. And there we go. And this has just got the wagon load like that. I just dropped it. I put some eyes on this one as well. And this one's got markings on. So you see this special trick one is actually, it's longer. It's more like the length that the Tomy ones used to be. So that's that one. And what else have we got? This one. This is one of the Steelworks wagons. Inside you can see something orange. If I turn it, click, click, it's now supposed to appear empty. Can you see? And click it back again, and then come back to it, and then it's full again. It's nice, isn't it? It's got some weather in there, and dirt or whatever. It's got these sort of traction type wheels, but they just go round and round. They don't actually drive anything. So it's just for appearances. that one. And then these, I've got two together. Let's just take one out. Now these are representing, I think it's the hot slag, the waste product that comes from the furnaces, and they're dumped, aren't they, to form what we know as slag heaps. So this is a special wagon. The ordinary wheels this side, but these have got little teeth on the wheels. Can you see those gears under there? Now that gear wheel there, deep inside, if I can rumble it round, there's two little cams. Can you see it? If it rumbles back into. No. Make it the right. There it is. There's one, and there's the other. There's one. And there's the other. So it makes it rock back into as it's moving along, and then this kind of wobbles as if it's slopping about, and that's very clever. I like that. So we've got two of those, slightly different colourways from each other, but they do the same thing. So that's it. I've been getting a few things, and so let's see them running around, shall we? Well, there we are. This is Hugo, Zeppelin car. Hang on a sec. I'll just quieten him down a sec. There we are. And this spins around with the motor. I'll just but because it's indirect drive there, you can still spin it without, so you don't hurt your fingers. And a very unusual chap this one, isn't he? That face reminds me of someone, I don't know. What do you think now? It's a bit of fun, this one here. I think I've seen on the clip on the another channel that he says he hasn't got a coupling to pull anything, but this model has. Okay. And the other guy, I think it's called Philip down there. Okay, that's it. So well, that's enough for today, and hopefully I'll find something else to film soon. Bye for now.